Miles Sand and Gravel started in 1943. We supply aggregate and ready mix for the Northwest. We partnered with Papé Kenworth a few years ago. We wanted to be able to spec our own trucks. And even more importantly, we wanted customer service, we wanted parts and their service department, and that's something we never got with our previous providers. So working with Papé Kenworth, we are able to sit down and go through every line item in the spec.
Papé Kenworth integrates very well. We're using a lot of their equipment in different fields, pretty much everything. They got swing shift up at their Federal Way store, gets our trucks in and out. I mean, they're a great part of the deal, from spec'ing to working on them to helping us out. It's like they rolled the red carpet out for me, man.
Uptime and keeping the fleet running is invaluable. Anytime a truck goes down, that's a potential for a human being not being able to work to provide for their family. So by partnering with Kenworth and running high quality equipment, we have good service relationships, allows us to keep the fleet running and operating at our full potential every day.
I've been driving Kenworth for coming up on 30 years. I think they are honestly the best trucks on the road. Quality, reliability, and comfort. The cabs in the Kenworth I found are the most quiet, insulated, and the visibility is just fantastic.
As a trainer, when you're sitting in the passenger seat, it's easier to instruct the new employee with the Kenworth platform because the controls are so easy for them to reach. It's a more comfortable feel and a more secure feel for the trainer to be in that vehicle.
The fact that we have new high quality Kenworth equipment for people to come in and drive on a daily basis is a huge boost to morale. It's a huge asset for me when I'm hiring people. I'm able to hire a higher quality of driver, people that want to come to work here because we provide them good equipment.
With Papé Kenworth, I feel really good working with them. We meet on a regular basis. What's going on in the industry? What do we need this year? What do I need next year? What do I need in 3 years? It allows us to focus on long-term goals.
I see this company heading to bigger and better things.
We have people that work in planning to get us ahead of everyone else out there, and I expect that we will continue to be at the forefront of the industry.
We are a fifth-generation family-owned business, and the family wants to keep growing and expanding it. So that's the vision going forward. With Papé Kenworth helping us along the way, that vision feels like something we can reach.